I'm sure bafethu senyayazi i-judgment about i-Royal AM. Yabo namhlanje kuphume umbiko about i-Royal AM. So the PSL Board of Governors have today decided to back the recommendation by the league's executive committee to cancel Royal AM's membership with immediate effect. Yabo le ndaba lezi iphume last week kuthiwa isinqumo sophuma namhlanje kuLwesine. Yabo so lana ngizokhuluma about abadlali be-Royal AM. There are many players in this Royal AM squad. Yabo baningi abadlali abantswempu kule scheme se-Royal AM ngokwakho wena, because right now bama-free agents. Ngokwakho ibaphi abadlali ongabathanda bajoyine iclub yakho of your choice. Yabo there are many players la abane-talent. Yabo i-most yabo basuka kwi-DDC side ye-Royal AM. Yabo mina ngifuna ukuya kude kakhulu, angifuni ukuya kude kakhulu. Uyambona lo mjide lo, uyambona lo mjide lo angafitha kwi-system ye-Orlando Pirates. Indlela adlala ngayo, indlela creative ngakhona, angafitha kwi-system ye-Orlando Pirates. Right now sidinga abadlali fethu sibe neqiniso. Yabo lo mjide lo Philani Sithebe futhi uyalazi ibhola mfethu. Inkinga wajoyina nje i-team yabo eneyinkinga. Yabo mase afike kwi-team mhlambe let's say i-Stelis, mase join i-Stelis, lo mjide lo angabiza ama-million in the next 2 seasons. Mase join i-Stelis right now, ngikhuluma nge-Stelis noma i-SuperSport United, leyo team ingamdayisa ama-million amaningi. There are many big teams la ku-Betway Premiership angafuni ukulanda i-talent esakhona isikhathi. Mina I wouldn't mind i-Orlando Pirates iqhumele lo mjide lo. I wouldn't mind i-Orlando Pirates iqhumele lo mjide. Mase ubheka number 10 esinabo, sinotete Maswangayi masiba noDlamini. Another number 10 kubulo mjide lo uKarim Kimvwidi. I wouldn't talk kakhulu ngoKarim Kimvwidi because samnikeza ithuba umjide akayibonakalisi kakhulu. So angeke ngikhulume nje kakhulu ngaye. Yabo uKarim Kimvwidi for me umdlali ukuthi simlone kancane, athi ukuthola igame time kancane eloniwe. Yabo because mesikhumbula kahle uKarim Kimvwidi samsayina from iMaritzburg United, esuspend isizini eyodwa kwiMaritzburg United. I may be lying, you may tell me in the comments, but ngokwami I feel like wayispend isizini eyodwa neMaritzburg United. iMaritzburg ya relegate thina sase siyaphawunsa ke samthatha uKarim Kimvwidi ukuthi ajoin i-institution. The guy was very good at Maritzburg United, but since he joined Orlando Pirates he hasn't proved ukuthi umjida, he hasn't proven himself ukuthi umjida okumele aqale ahead of uTito and uDlamini. Yebo so if we get number 10 onjengoSithebe bafethu, lo mjida lo uyadlala. It's a pity ukuthi team yakhe ayikwazanga ukuthi ilungise izinto kule season. Yebo bese sombona kahle lo mjide lo uthi une-talent ngempela. Maningi ama-team abezowakhalisa indlela yadlala ngakhona. If you remember the game yayidlala against the Kaizer Chiefs, I think that is where he cemented his name. That is where he made his name. Yebo he made his mark kule club ye-Royal AM, because lapho khona sambona kahle eshaya yabo isize team ikwazi ukuthola i-comeback against the Kaizer Chiefs. I'm not saying because he played well against the Kaizer Chiefs he's one of the talented guys. I've seen some of his games. Yabo I've seen some of his games. Umjida mfethu uyakwazi ukudlala. Yebo uyakwazi ukudlala. So I wouldn't mind ngempela ayijoin institution. But ke wangitshela wena ngokwakho kuma comments, imuphi umdlali okuRoyal AM ongathanda ukuthi ajoin iclub yakho? Imuphi umdlali nje okuRoyal AM ongathanda ajoin iclub yakho? Because right now ubuthaphu abadlali bagcwele, ungahamba uyoyicoshela wakho. Imuphi umdlali ongamxosha mase kufika ithuba lapho?